So what's up? Welcome to another episode. I'm Stanley 7. I'm all about living the dream, and you can see in the background I'm next to like a levee. Well, to get to the fishing spot I gotta cross the levee. The tide is super high. The road is like pretty much flooded. I gotta go all the way to the end. Hopefully I can get to the end. I don't mess up my truck. My truck is a 4-wheel drive, so let's go. That's right, I made it. The road was super flooded. So now, guess what? The first Gen 7 is back. That's right, got the canoe. Got it freshly painted, new trolling motor, new battery, got the works, everything. It's been like almost 4 years since I fished out this thing. But already right off the back, from the storm, pushed a whole bunch of water lilies up. This is the first time I'm gonna go fishing after the storm. So let me get her in the water, on the ground, pretty much say on the ground, get ready, and let's go. Alright, so I got her somewhat in the water, but it's full of grass. Full of grass right here. This will not be fun. Alright guys, got the trolling motor hooked up. I'm out the grass. And we're ready to go. So let's go. This thing's moving. Oh man, feels good. Feels awesome to be back. I can actually stand up and fish and do a whole bunch of stuff. Well, I want to go in there, but there's a little dam right there. So I'm gonna have to go up the canal, loop all the way around. So good thing I got the trolling motor. Battery fully charged. It should last me pretty much all day. Wind's not blowing, the sun's still coming up, so looks good. I like the canoe, really do. I can stand up and fish, do a lot of standing up and fishing, so do a lot of sight casting, more or less say. So let me get to the spot. Go. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Woo. I missed him the first time. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Go. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Yeah. Took me a little bit of work. By God, I got him. Yeah, got him on that king cake and vodka, y'all. Yeah, buddy. First fish in the kayak. Well, the canoe. All right, guys. So I got this nice red. I caught him right there, and they got this little pond. Just seen some blocking there. So let's let this one go. Here we go. And he's definitely alive. He's gone. All right, guys, I got one. GoPro's about to die, though. Woo! Oh, oh, guys. All right. Whoo! Oh man. Whoo! Whoo! I got y'all a little bit of action. That red right there, this one right here, GoPro died. Let's swap out batteries. I was cruising on my way back in, and I was just in this main canal cruising, and I seen them. I hurry up, turned the trolling motor completely off, grabbed my pole. I had my pole set up. I just stood up and I just tossed it right by him. He went underneath, but I knew the bait, how everything was set up. I knew I was gonna get him. He's a nice one. He is definitely a nice one. I don't want him to die, so let's give him a little bit of water. Don't want him to die, y'all. I'm gonna take the hook off in the water like this, because I really, let me put him back in. It'll be easier. He's gorgeous. Smoked that Bud Light. Oh man. Whew. All right. All right. Got him. Got him. Give him a little water. Don't want him dying. Whew. He's beat up a little bit right there. All right. Do not want him to die because I'm not keeping the reds today. All right. I ain't got that much video footage for y'all on this red right here, but like I was saying, you know, like I was saying, I sight casted him, no ifs, ands, buts about it. It was awesome. Let's get him back in the water. Well, let's let him go. All right, we got those social media pics. Let's get him back in the water. He is a nice one. There he goes. What? That was awesome. That was awesome. Yes. All right, guys. It's been 2 hours since I caught that last fish. Wind's picking up. It's not good. It's not good. So I got two, even though the conditions wasn't the best, you know. Still had fun.Got to test out the first Gen 7 kayak slash canoe, wherever you like to call this thing. But I will tell you this much: I am very, very, very impressed with the battery life on this battery with this trolling mode. For as long as I've been going and going up against the wind and everything like that, I'm very impressed with it. But before I put a motor on this thing, I can tell you right now, I would need to do some modifying for the stabilization, for the stable. It's a round bottom, so
I would have to put some skids on it, some dolphin fins more or less, say like on a big vessel. They put little outrigger skids on them. I would probably have to do that to this to give it more stabilization, more stable. It wouldn't be much to do it. Maybe a couple of, maybe $100. But other than that, y'all let me know in the comments below what you think I should do on rigging this thing out some more. I like it so far. Now granted, it's not like in the boat and it's not like in the kayak. It's a different style. But it's awesome. Alright y'all. Y'all stay living that dream.